Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prashaya, back with another video. Y'all, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, so bear with me. Okay, so today I will be doing a wig review from Unice Hair Company. I will be installing a glueless wig, a ready-to-go wig. It is a 6x4.5 pre-cut lace quick easy body wave wig with a breathable cap. First, let's get into this bag they sent. It's real cute. I like the pink. The pink is given. Here's the box. Very cute. It's cute but simple. Okay, so let's open it to see what's inside of it. Okay, I think I feel it like this. So right here it says cannot be defined. Then it has Unice. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I got some goodies. Let's see what's in the goodie bag before I pull out the jackpot. Let's see what's in here. Pookie butts. Okay, so it's a real cute, simple bag. Got Unice on the front, written in red. I got a HD wig cap. Then I guess to melt the lace. Got some lashes. It's really cute. Thingy majiggy. Let me see what it is. Might be something fancy. So my phone had went dead, y'all. Let me show y'all what this is. It's really cute. The pink, I love it. So let me pull it out. Okay, so it's a brush. I'm guessing a makeup brush. Like if you want to put makeup on your wig, lace, or whatever. It's so cute. It got some weight to it. Let's open it and see. Like, okay, look. My own personal mirror. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. And it's small, so I could fit it in my purse, my pocket, my wallet. I like this. They did their thing with this. I love it. Now let's get to the jackpot, the lucky charm, the one of it all. What y'all waiting for? So, yeah. The wig looks so you see it? It's everything. It's pre-cut. It got the edges. It got the pre-parting. So y'all, it's 20 inches. 20 inches in this body wave. A 6x4.5. The front part. Let's open it. We got to see the girl up front. Let's take it out the bag. Okay, so they got the net on it. So the hair can stay in place in the packaging. So it won't be flying anywhere. Up this end, they have the clips on it. So the clips can hold the styrofoam on it to keep the wig in shape. Make sure the wig was safe and secure. Let's take the net off so we can see more of the girl. Oh, she trying to fall off. Give me a second, baby. Give me a second. Take you off. Hey, the base looks so good. Look at this. Look at this. It's definitely where to go. Just look at the waves, Bookie butt. Look how pretty the waves are. Like, look. Okay, let's check the inside of it out. 1, 2. It has 3 combs in the inside, 1 on each side, and then there's also in the back. So, and then also have the band. See, I like this because I know there's some wigs that come with the skinnier ones in the back. It hurts sometimes. So with this thick band, I like that because I know that's comfortable and it feels comfortable and stretchy. So if you got a noggin, your head big, baby, don't worry about it because it'll get you there. Your scalp can breathe. Like, look, see, your fingers can go through. If you want to scratch, like, your scalp, they made it easy for you to reach to it. Y'all look, and I got my gel braids in. Let's put this girl on. Let's see what this girl rocking with. I'm gonna tighten the band back a little bit. This is a really great way to throw. You just going somewhere right quick. I love it, I love it, I love it. Make sure I got it evenly on my head. I want to put something on the edges so they can live in because they're sticking up, but that's no problem. That's a small fix. And this is a good amount of parting space. Like, you could change your partings, like if I want. Ooh. Ooh. She might have to get turned sideways. Y'all, I love the volume of the hair. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm in love. This is so freaking. The hair is soft. Like, when I say soft, look, I'm rubbing my hands through it. No hair. No hair. Rubbing my hands through it, literally. It's not shedding. No hair. Look, thick. So much volume. So much. It's thick. So much. It's so full. And it's bouncy. Oh my, y'all, I'm not taking this wig off tonight, bro. I'm not taking this wig off tonight, bro. I'm keeping it on. Like, I'm not taking this wig off tonight. I'm gonna let it keep filming, but let me go get the gel from my edges real quick. Hold on, y'all. So I got the gel. So I'm gonna put a little bit. Zap. But that's a little bit too much. I'm gonna put this in a little bit. Just so they can lay down. I don't need that much. Okay, come. The fact that they put the edges here for you, because the edges is the hardest part to make for me. The fact that they got them already here, but automatically 10 out of 10. I recommend. Okay, y'all, so I'm waiting on my hot comb to get hot so I can run a hot comb through it so it could be flat. It's a party in the US. I like this side part, but then again I like the middle part because I want to do this style. But I don't know. I gotta see first. Side part. I love this wig. It's good. Yeah, and it's a where to go. Where to go. You could literally be rushing to go somewhere and just pick this wig up and put it on your head. Literally, what you have to do is pick it up and put it on your head, and it's not going anywhere. Like, it's not going anywhere. Everywhere. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's stuck on my head. Yeah, like, I'm really in love with it because it's just, oh my goodness, it's so full and the hair is just so beautiful. And all I did was hot comb it to flatten it and put gel on my edges so it could lay down. So the hairs could lay down. So yeah. The hair is very good quality. It doesn't shed. And I know you guys like it. Well, a lot of people shop with them. It's not like they're a small hair company. Like they're a big hair company. So a lot of people, I know a lot of you girls shop with them. This is my first wig from them. I like it so much. See, I like that little curtain piece in the hair. Let me show y'all. I'm looking out in the mirror. I'm not even showing y'all. Let me show y'all. Do y'all like it? Like, I really don't even have to do nothing to it. I kind of want to style it, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to style it or not. It's this style that I wanted to do. It's just can't get no better. No, can't get no better than this. Go shop Unice. Go shop Unice hair. Go shop Unice wigs. Go shop on Unice website. Yes, I'm gonna have the link to this wig linked in the bio for you girlies. Y'all, I am in love. Oh my goodness.